Hello guys, we are welcome back to the next lesson. As you all know, we are dealing with the law of mathematical sign, the laws of mathematical sign. In our last lesson, we ended at law 7, but today we are going to be looking at law 8. But before we go into looking at law 8, you do well by subscribing and liking this channel. Share it to your loved ones. It will do you good if you subscribe to it for more updates. So take note that this channel is for educational purpose only. If you want to become a Chikobi in mathematics, subscribe to this channel for more updates. So today we are looking at law 8. Law 8, we are told that if two numbers of different sign are divided, the result will be negative. If two numbers of different sign are divided, the result will be negative. When numbers carries two signs, negative and positive. So in this case, we are told that law 8, if two numbers of different sign, that is plus divided by minus, the result will be minus, or minus divided by plus, the result will be minus. So we are told that if two numbers of different sign are divided, the result will remain minus. So for example 1, 8 plus 8 divided by minus 2. Or you can write it this way, plus 8 divided by minus 2. You see that you are going to have minus 4. Because 2 here, 1 time into here, 4 times. So the result, we are having negative 4. Example 2, you might have minus 8 divided by plus 2. Or you write it this way, minus 8 divided by plus 2. 2 here, 1 time into 8, 4 times. So you end up having minus 4. So when two numbers of different sign are divided, the result will be negative. So that is what you should have in mind. And as you are seated there looking at me, do this as an example. Minus 10 divided by plus 2. 10 divided by minus 2. You see that we are going to have minus as the answer. So next we are going to be looking at law 9. Law 9 of mathematical science states that if two numbers of different sign are subtracted, the result will be positive or negative. Law 9, I repeat, states that if two numbers with different sign are subtracted, the result will be negative, positive or negative. That is to say, minus, let's say 8 minus 2. Now you see we are separating this number with parentheses. If you go to our previous lesson, you will see that we are told that when a negative and a positive number, or negative and a negative number comes together like that, you separate them with a parenthesis, like in this case. So this would now become minus times minus. So minus times minus here will be plus. So 8 plus 2 is 10, and this is plus 10. So another example is, if you have minus 8 minus plus 2, minus 8 minus plus 2, it can also be rewritten as minus 8 minus 2. So minus 8 minus 2, when you have a number like this, minus 8 minus 2, you add the two numbers together and retain the minus sign. That is, say minus 8 minus 2, I'll add 8 and 2, which is 10, and I retain the sign, the negative sign, which is minus. You can see that if two numbers of different sign are subtracted, the result will be either positive or negative, like in this case. As you are watching me, you can do this while seated there now. Ten minus 9. 2 minus 10 minus plus 8. So you now see that when you do this, you are going to have different sign, plus and minus. So that is law 9, and that is the end of the laws of mathematical sign. So in our next lesson, we are going to be seeing how you can multiply without the use of a calculator. How you can multiply numbers without the use of a calculator. Because always, you see, sometimes you will come by some multiplication, and if there's no calculator, then what do you do? So you now, in our next lesson, we are going to be told how you can multiply numbers without the use of a calculator. So stay fit in this channel. Subscribe to this channel, share it and like it. And this channel, like I said, is for educational purpose only. You are blessed as you stay fit and do the needful. You are welcome. Thank you very much for staying fit in this channel. Thank you.